right, hi guys, it's Dr. Chelle. Thank you so much for coming on to look at Unit 2, Lesson 5, the harder examples. So again, you're in Khan Academy and you have orange on Unit 2, Lesson 5, and you want to know how can the graphing calculator make my life easy? Like the Khan Academy examples are like stressing me out. This is a place to do it. All right, let's take a look at question number 4. Consider the system of equations 2x plus ky equals 10 and 4x minus 2y equals 6. What is the value of k that there's no solution? So you do have to know that in order for something to have no solutions, the slopes have to be the same. Okay, so if it had one solution, they would cross and make it x for linear equations. If it has infinite solutions, they would be right on top of each other. No solutions, they form parallel lines. All right, watch how amazing this is. I'm going to type everything in, including the letter k. So I've got 2x plus ky. I kind of want to show you the hard way to do this, but I also don't want to bore you. So 4x minus 2y equals 6. Now, you do want that k bar to come up. If it doesn't come up, it's fine. See how it says add slider k? You do want that, okay? Now, we want to have it have no solution. So we want a k value that gives us parallel lines. Right now, there is a solution if k equals 1. So watch what you do because it's multiple choice. The first answer says, what if k equals 2? So I put in a 2. Nope, those lines cross, so that's not the correct answer. Then I put in a 1. Nope, those lines cross. That's not the correct answer. Then I put in a 0. Nope, those lines cross, so that's not the right answer. And then I put in a -1. Holy moly, no matter how much I scroll out, those lines are not going to cross because their slopes are the same. That's the reason they form parallel lines. So the answer to number 4 is letter D. And let me tell you, the way to do it, like you can watch on Khan Academy, the longer way to do this problem. It's insane, or a similar problem. It's like insane. So use the slider tool. We're going to use the slider tool a lot. You could also, if it wasn't multiple choice, you could use the slider tool by dragging it and see how it matches up. All right, let's look at this next one. Yep, go ahead and write the mx plus 2y equals 8. -15 x plus 6y equals 24. Now, if the m doesn't come up for you right away, it comes up for me because I hit enter when I type. But if it doesn't come up, again, remember, you just click add slider. Okay, so in this case, we want to have infinite solutions. So infinite solutions means the lines go right on top of each other. So we want the blue line to be on top of the black line. So one way to do it is you can just move the slider and keep moving it until it's right on top of each other. And you can eyeball it and be like, oh, might went a little bit too far. There it is. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. -5. That's the answer. It's choice B. If you don't use this, and I'm showing you that because you might get a question like this that is a student-generated response. So you won't have the multiple choice answers to type in. So that's why using the slider really, really helps. So you just keep sliding it until it goes right on top of each other. Okay. The other thing you can do, which is what I recommend doing, is just typing it in. Nope, if m equals 2, they don't match. If m equals -5, yep, that works. If m equals 4/3, nope, that doesn't work. If m equals -2, nope. So it's definitely m equals -5. All right, let's look at the next one. I'm going to hit this gear and hit delete all. You can also just do XXX. All right, we've got mx plus 2y equals 15. My second one is 3x plus y equals 5. Okay, and this time we're going to just type it in since it's multiple choice. And again, it says will be unsolvable, no solutions. So remember, no solutions means parallel lines, not the same line, parallel lines. All right, so I'm going to delete the 1 and type in 6. Actually, those lines look parallel. I'm pretty content that that's the correct answer, but let's just double check. So we think it's A. So if I were taking the test in person, I would select A, but I would still, because it doesn't take a long time, I would still check all the other answers. So I'm going to put in -3. That's definitely not it. I'll put in 5 divided by 3. That's not it. And I'll also put in 3. And that's not it. Real quick, if you didn't know how to do fractions, it's just the divide symbol. I use the divide symbol, which is the question mark on my keyboard, but just divide, and that's how you can type in 4/3. Okay. All right, so we know the answer is letter A, which was 6. And let me show you one more time. See? Beautiful parallel lines. All right, this is Doc Chelle. What you should be doing now is you should go back to Khan Academy and you should work on the practice questions using the techniques I just taught you. So you're going to do Khan Academy, Unit 2, Lesson 5, using the Desmos calculator to help you do those questions. When you're done with that, go ahead and come back, and our next topic that we're going to talk about will be on page 30 of my book, which is Unit 2, Lesson 6, Systems of Linear Equation, Word Problems. All right, bye guys. Thank you. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. See you later.